Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull charts. First, open the Webull app and select a stock to view its chart. You'll see options to change the chart type, like candlestick or line, and adjust timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month. Familiarize yourself with the zoom and scroll functions to explore historical data. This initial setup is crucial for effective analysis. Now, let's personalize your charts. Tap the indicator icon to browse and add popular technical indicators such as moving averages or RSI. Once added, you can tap on the indicator itself to modify its parameters, like changing the period of a moving average from 9 to 20. Remember to save your customized layouts so you don't have to reconfigure them each time you open a chart. Moving on to more advanced techniques, Webull offers a suite of drawing tools. You can draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support or resistance levels directly on your chart to visualize market movements. Experiment with different chart styles, like Heikin Ashi, which can help clarify trends. Also, set price alerts by tapping on the chart at your desired price point, ensuring you never miss a key market move. To truly master Webull charts, practice combining several indicators to gain a more holistic view of market sentiment. For instance, use volume alongside a momentum indicator to confirm trends. Continuously work on identifying key support and resistance levels, as these are fundamental to trading decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent practice will sharpen your analytical skills and improve your trading confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.